guys, I am done with the strategy. I'm going to YouTube right now to learn ICT. So guys, this was the trade right here. So now we are out on drawdown. Time for analysis. So I'm gonna do my analysis right now. The time is currently 8:35. I need to eat, man. I'm exhausted. So guys, I just did my analysis right now. So let me just show you guys what I'm anticipating for. So first of all, gold is bullish overall in all the time frames. And so what I'm just anticipating for is that I'm waiting for the breakout of this guy, of this 1 hour high, and then I'm gonna be waiting for my pattern to show up. Right, so this is what we're currently having right here. I'm just waiting for the break of this high, wait for a little bit of consolidation, and then target this daily high also, because price has smashed out the what's it called, the weekly high. I think this is the weekly high here. Smashed out the weekly high, so price should also be going for the daily high also, and probably create an all-time high, right? So yeah, let's just follow the trend, man. And also, if price kind of come back here to the support, if price come back to the support, then I'm gonna be looking to buy also, right? Let's say price come back to a support or further gap, then I'm not gonna wait and using that as the support to wait for a consolidation, and then I'll break up the consolidation, and then I'm gonna target. Right, so yeah, that's currently what I'm looking for. So I just want to go cook rice and beans, right? So yeah, let's just get it. So guys, I'm currently waiting for the break right here. As you can see, what I anticipated as is already playing out. So yeah, and it's kind of about 103 points, 103.5. So yeah, let's just see if it's gonna play out actually. So let's see. The time is currently 10:04. So guys, I just entered into a trade right now. As you can see, I have a break and 11:02. So yeah, and my target is right there. As you guys can see, my target is right there. So let's see how the trade goes. So guys, I wanna check the charts right now. I just went to collect my laptop from where I was charging it. So let's see where we are on the trade. So guys, this was the trade right here. This was the trade right here, guys. As you guys can see, we got stopped out by hair right there. Price took off. Done, guys. I am done with this strategy. I'm going to YouTube right now to learn ICT or anything. So guys, that's currently what I'm looking for on the chart, and today is actually Thursday. Today's Thursday, 9:11 a.m. and I did not see any trade yesterday. Actually, today's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and you just have to understand that most of these things are not in a strategy, right? Most of these things are not in strategy. The fact that you've backtested your strategy and you see that it works, I can show you guys my playbook right here. Right? It's It's not about strategy. And I'm gonna be making a video, a separate video on that. A separate video on that. So I'm just waiting for this trade to play out right now. I probably gonna go wash my plates and cook to eat, man. I'm actually down. I'm a little bit ill. I don't know what's going on, maybe malaria or something. I've just not been getting myself lately. Catarrh, body temperature, and headache, and body pain also. Everything just the hit stop loss actually. Everything just the hit stop loss. My health is hitting stop loss currently. But I mean, that trade, yeah. Of course, what I said was just I'll just play with you guys. That trade, it really, how would I put it? It's kind of made me realize something. And also, that day, that same day, I should have also taken another trade, which would have been a win. But I hesitated. I just closed the chart actually, and it's something that I want to stop. After taking a loss, I don't even feel like opening the chart again for that day, right? And I want to stop that thing because most of the time, my win rate is not that low for me to have back-to-back losses like in a single day, right? And I mean, it is what it is. Now we have 4 more losses to go. We currently have 9 losses. 9 losses. That's crazy. 9 losses, guys. 9 losses, and we have 4 more% to go. We're currently down 4% on our accounts. Is it 4%? Yeah, it's 4%. And the maximum drawdown for the next is 8%, right? So we have 4 more to go. So all I'm waiting for now is the break of this high. That's if it doesn't get invalidated, of course. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, I just entered into the trade right here. As you can see right there. And the time is 1:06 p.m. right there. And I'm currently targeting this 4-hour zone right here because the 4-hour is not bullish, the 4-hour is bearish. So I'm just kind of keen on that, and I'm targeting the 4-hour zone right there. 1 show 3, targeting 1 show 3 right there. So let's see how it goes. So I really wanna sleep. I really wanna take a nap. I've been waiting for this trade since morning. So now that I've taken the trade, I'm just gonna set my take profit. I've set my stop loss, and then I'm just gonna go take a nap. And if I wake up and I said okay, I can now set a break even or stop loss, anyhow it is, we move on to the next. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, this is where we are currently on the trade right here, and we are more than halfway to take profits actually. And if this is a win, then it's just 3 because we are down 4 trades into drawdown, right? So then it's just going to be left with 1 hour to go back to break even or something like that. So let's hope it's a win. Let's hope it's a win. And so for me to set break even, I haven't seen any criteria to set break even, but I'm going to be tightening the stop loss. I'm going to tighten the stop loss. I've seen a criteria to tighten my stop loss. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. And I'm going to update you guys on the trade. All right, guys. So I just set my break even now after the aggressive pullback. You guys can see. So this was the aggressive pullback right here. So we had a push, aggressive pullback, and now we are heading on to the upside, right? So right now, price might break this high and keep on going up, which is what we hope to happen, right? And so yeah, I've set my break even. Set my break even below this low, and yeah, let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Prices, almost at my TP, but gold is crazy, man. Gold is crazy. So let's see how it goes. Good morning, guys. So today is Friday, and I just want to take you guys through my analysis. I'm still. How would I put it? I'm still ill. I'm gonna go get some drugs or something like that. I'm just not getting myself lately. So let's start from the time frame I use in analysis is daily and weekly, daily, 4 hour and 1 hour, right? So the daily and weekly are the long term, while the 4 hour and 1 hour are the short term buyers, right? So and I have a rule of okay. I have a rule whereby if I'm taking a buy, 2 out of those 4 time frame must be bullish, and if I'm taking a sell, 2 out of those time frame must also be bearish, right? So now the trade I took yesterday, this was the trade I took yesterday actually, and I actually had another move after that, but I did not take it because I just, and something I actually want to start something I want to start confronting. I want to tackle that problem of losing. Like, I don't have any drive after I take a trade, whether it's a win or loss. I don't have any drive to come back to the charts and do any analysis to take a buy or sell again. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So I just don't have the drive. So so let's focus on today actually. Okay, so the yesterday one, it was only the 4 hour that was bearish. Daily, weekly, and 1 hour was bullish. So I took the trade right there, right? I took that trade. So which means 3 time frame were bullish. So now let me come to the weekly. So if you guys want to see that the weekly is still bullish, even though we're having some weak reaction, but that's not the main deal. The weekly is bullish. The daily is kind of consolidating, but it's still bullish. This still called bullish. And if you guys watch, if you had a big fair value gap right here, the market is coming to tap into. Right, so market has come to tap into the fair value gap, and now market has come back to this weekly zone. And this weekly zone is still active because if you come to the 4 hour, you see that market has reacted to that zone a lot of the times, all the way from here. So it's a very good support or resistance zone. It's a very good one. And even when market broke out, it gave us a consolidation. And market is coming back to a consolidation as a support and resistance. Or some, I think some people also call it order block or something like that. I don't really know what they call it. So market came to the support, favorable gap after support and resistance, came to the support, reacted to it, and now market is here. So with the little experience I have on the charts, market should actually still come down because this zone is very powerful. And if it doesn't come back, who am I to not look for an opportunity for buys? But I'm going to be looking for opportunity for buys when market breaks out of this zone and then maybe a retest or something like that, or a consolidation, something like this. So if market breaks out of that zone and then come back or give us a consolidation, maybe slightly above the break, then I'm gonna use the break of the consolidation as an opportunity to drive upward, maybe back to the zone self. So it's not really a long-term move like that. The only time I look to like hold far very further in price is when all time frame are bullish. So which means the daily, weekly, 4 hour, and 1 hour are all bullish. Then I love holding in that scenario, right? So so right now, if I'm going to be looking for sell, like I said, the only time frame that is bearish right now is the 4 hour. So I cannot just sell. I have to wait for a 1 hour change of structure. So if you guys watch, I already mark on my low, the 1 hour change of structure right here. So we had a high. So we had a high, higher low, higher high. And then at the break of the structure, the body of the candle, that's what my actually targets. Or let me just draw that again. So low, and then the body of the candle. My market is kind of giving us, market is even kind of giving us a candle wick reaction, but I don't use candle wick reaction. So at the change of structure, then I'm gonna be looking for my pattern, my entry pattern, something like this, and then sells back to this 1 hour low right here, right? So and I might not get to the 1 hour low, I might just target 1 show 3 because I just want to be targeting 1 show 3 when how do I put it, when all time frame are not bullish. But when all time frame are bullish, anywhere my strategy is telling me to targets, even though it's 1 show 15, I am gonna hold, right? I am gonna hold. If you guys watch this trade right here, I was targeting the daily. Actually, I was targeting the daily. This is a new daily, so the daily was somewhere here then, and it's about maybe 1 show 5 or something like that. But I was targeting up to 1 show 5, 1 show 6 because all time frame were bullish then, but market stopped us out a little bit. So for this, the only time frame that was the only the 4 hour was bearish, so I was just targeting 1 show 3 right there. So yeah, that's just thought about it. So yeah, so what I'm waiting for now For sales, I'm going to have to wait for a change of structure first. This a candle has to break with a full body candle. You find out with my pattern for my entry pattern, targeting sales, and if I'm going to be looking for buy, because you have to be open-minded. I have to wait for a break of these, probably a consolidation, and then. But with the little experience I have, I don't think maybe market is gonna go up. But let's see how it goes, man. Anyhow it is, we react, we don't predict. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So now we are out of drawdown. I wanna manifest it. We are currently out of drawdown. It's just 1% to go actually, but yeah, let's just see if this trade is gonna play out. And the change of structure is about to happen because I'm already seeing some volume, some momentum to the bearishness of this candle, 1 hour candle. So let's just see how it goes, man. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Also guys, I'm currently waiting for the break of this candle. As you can see, the time is 1:01 p.m. and it just left 3 minutes. This candle might close above now. So the analysis I did in the morning is currently playing out because I was waiting for a consolidation in the higher time frame. So for buys, like I said, I was waiting for a consolidation and then boom, or a break and just a retest. So now a consolidation setup is one that played out. So now let's see if we're gonna be having a break of this pattern right here, and it might also get invalidated before it even breaks. That's just crazy. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna update you guys. So guys, I just entered into the trade. So the break, I don't know why the break is not really clear on my trading view, but the break was clear on my MT5. It's not really by a lot though, but it broke the neckline right there. So let's just see how it goes. Anyhow it is. Let's see if, anyhow it is though, we're still gonna end this week with profit. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So guys, this is where we are currently now on the trade. As you can see, 2:36 p.m. And there's one funny thing actually happened here. So guys, this was the trade right here. The result of the trade. We hit an L on this one, and this is gonna be the last trade of this week. Today is Friday, of course. And yeah, this week was actually profitable. 2 loss and 1 win, 1-3, and then we were able to cover for the loss and 1 hour into profit. So yeah, we're gonna come back next week and do our thing. Peace out.